Hey guys, what's up? It's Justin from Bullets and Burnouts. You scratch your truck, it's not the worst thing that can happen, right? Well, I mean, it depends. So today we have a video on how we're gonna get scratches out of the clear coat on your truck. If you guys watched my video last week, you seen it was pretty bad. But good thing is we're gonna be able to get all this out, and we even have some on the other side that we're gonna be able to get out as well. These you can't really see because the sun isn't over here, but so if you guys want to get those scratches out of your truck, watch the rest of this video. All right, so a couple things you're gonna need. Milwaukee drill. Yes, it has to be Milwaukee. No, it can't be DeWalt, Ryobi, or anything else. It has to be Milwaukee. Next, you're gonna have to go get this from AutoZone. It's Meguiar's Scratch X 2.0. I've used this a couple times actually, gotten a couple scratches. Takes them right out, you know. Highly recommend it. So you guys go get this and it'll take any scratches out of your clear coat. Then that'll come with this guy. It attaches to your drill and then you watch the magic happen. Also, you have to be in a shaded area, otherwise the sun is gonna dry up the compound and it's not gonna work. All right, first things first, get your drill, get your pad, put it in there. Oh, and by the way, I washed the truck before I did this so that it doesn't scratch it or rub any more dirt in there. It says apply, let's see, dispense a small amount onto the cleaning polishing pad. So we'll put a little bit on here. The thing is, you don't want to add too little because then you're gonna burn your clear coat and it's just gonna add more scratches. So I'll put about that much and let's see it go to work. Before you guys come at me and tell me you need to move the drill like this, or you're not doing it right, you can't go up and down, or I'm not a paint and body guy. I'm a YouTuber, come on. So you'll feel it dry up whenever it's on the drill, and that's whenever you want to stop, wipe it off, and then apply some more. Otherwise you're going to burn through the clear coat on your truck. So you guys can see kind of what it's looking like already. If you can, like I said, I'll show you in the sun. And it's looking a lot better. You see a little one right there still. And honestly, I can probably get that off. I mean, you guys see it already looks much better than what it did. So the other side's a little worse, but we're gonna go over there. We're gonna hit that side now. All right, just for another visual of how bad it is. You know, there are a bunch of scratches on this side. So I'm gonna clean it and then show you guys what I get. We're gonna start with this one right here. It's crazy. I'm telling y'all. So here's the product again. Meguiar's Scratch X 2.0. I mean, it's amazing. It works great. So if you guys have any scratches, go get this. It'll take it right out. But we're gonna keep on going with the rest of the truck now. So I finished the bed panel. It's not perfect, but it looks a lot better than what it did. Let's see. So you can see the scratches there that go all the way down. There, it's pretty much gone. You have some very light scratches, but I mean, pretty much it's gone. You can see it even got into the taillight. Well, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it got into the taillight by how much it was scratching the truck. And I'm curious to see if it gets out this guy right here. That's a pretty deep one, so let's see if it gets it out. Okay, so let's follow it down again. You see it right there, right there, right there. Did it about right below that door handle right there. And you can see it gets a lot better. You know, it's still slightly there, but it's much better than that right there. All right, so that one bottle was pretty much enough to do the entire truck. You might see some residue on there, but if you look down it, I mean, you can see clearly significant difference. Now you'll still see a little bit of scratches, but I can even go over that again if I want to. I mean, like, you guys can't argue with that. It's the best product out there to get light scratches off of your truck. And here's the other side, and remember that was the worst side over there, so here's the other side just to check it out. So there you guys go. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Subscribe, like the video, comment, let me know what you want to see. Check out the other videos for more truck and more gun content. All right guys, we'll see you next time.